What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am here with another big body banger, man. And in today's video, I'm about to just be showing y'all how to mix a professional sounding song on Bandlab. Now, I've been using Bandlab for almost a year now, and man, I'm experienced. I know what I'm doing. I know how to get a good mix. So hey, if you want to stick with me on this journey, and, get the best mixing on your tracks, and stay tuned, man. But let's get this video to 100 likes, and let's go crazy, man. But without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, y'all. So now that we in the track, I'm gonna just let y'all see all my mixing. And just pretty much what I'm gonna be doing in this video, I'm gonna just be pointing out all the little things that you need to know to just get the best mix on your song. So as y'all can see, my master gain is pretty low and the beat is pretty high. I did that because the 808 or the bass, I never can say that right, the bass on the beat is it's hitting a little too hard, and I don't want it to cause like distortion or make my just throw the mix off. So yeah, man. And I know this ain't organized, but make sure you always organize your vocals so you know where things are. So I could put vocal 1, vocal 2. But yeah, man, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so this right here is my vocals, and this right here is my ad-libs. And if y'all want to check this song out, man, ad-libs, all right, whatever. I ain't even gonna do whatever. We gonna fix that up. But yeah, man, if you want to check this song out, it's out now on YouTube, and it's it's doing pretty good right now. Ad-libs. I can't do too many things at once, but yeah, man, as y'all can see, you're gonna want to trim out all that extra stuff, all that extra noise in your song, so it can just sound professionally and chopped. Now, I didn't do that with my ad-libs. Well, me personally, I'm just lazy with my ad-libs because it kind of doesn't matter, but it does. Because you know how the ad-libs are like low, and like you just don't really hear the like noise in the background, so you don't really have to trip off that. But it's always good to just trim your song up and get it right, man. All right, now for the next step, man, after you done recording everything, you feel me, everything, denoise it, you feel me, hit that denoise, and it's gonna get everything right. And I'm pretty sure all you got to do is denoise it one time, but I think you got to denoise everything. So my life is like, okay, so I don't know, it's kind of glitching right now. It's not how it's supposed to be, but yeah, when you denoise it, it's supposed to just make it sound like more clear. And I probably just need to update my app. That's probably why it's glitching like that, man. But yeah, make sure, like I said in the beginning, make sure everything is leveled and you feel me, everything's in the right place. Make sure your vocals are higher than your ad-libs, because your ad-libs are supposed to be a background voice. But yeah, let's get into these presets, man. So right here, I got the clear vocal ones. Oh, wait, what's going on with the names? What is clear vocal, bro? I just be typing hecka fast. But yeah, this is just the old preset I used to use. It's still good now if you just slap it on yours and just tweak it out to make it sound good for your voice. But pause the video if you need to. We got the digicomp, we got the space maker, we got the EQ3, man, and the studio reverb. We got the noise gate, you feel me, D-delay, FPK compressor, tech lab, you feel me. We got all that over here, man. And I got that tech lab on here just for the gain, so I can like when I'm finished mixing up my music, I just like to throw a little gain on it, so it can sound a little higher, a little brighter. But yeah, man. And another useful tip, man, is you can play around with your beat. Like, I know sometimes people be wanting to add a little bass on their beat. Well, that's possible. All you gotta do is just add the graphic EQ, and then you gotta just mix it. For the people who don't know what an EQ is, man, picture the GarageBand EQ, and picture the red being the 6. You know how the red is, like it's like, and the orange is like bass. Actually, you know what? I don't even want to confuse y'all with that theory, man. But that was just a good example. Like, that's basically what this is without all the colors and stuff. I feel like Bandlab will update their app in the future to add all that cool stuff. But for now, man, we just gotta work with the numbers. And the 100 hertz, I believe, works with the bass. So I turn that up, man, to get my bass booming. And yeah, you can turn the level up too on the bottom, the dB, so it can, like, you know, punch. But yeah, man. And as y'all can see, I'll be trimming my beat. Sometimes I cut it out so I can, you know, just give it that high quality effect, man. But another thing is, if you're saying things too loud, you feel me, just fade it out. You can fade things out, you know. It's a lot of tools on this app to get you right, man. But yeah, that's really all. But yeah, that's really the end of the video. I just wanted to show y'all some cool tips, you know. Hopefully it's gonna help y'all and y'all will, you know, music creating journey, man. But make sure y'all smash that subscribe button, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out, man. Peace.